Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Discord server. So you're currently on my server here, and if you want to just leave a server and not actually delete it, so that you won't need to be a server owner or anything to do that. So if you would just want to leave a server, so look at the top left edge of your screen, so pick the server that you want. So let's try leaving here. Just right click on that, and as you can see there is a leave server button here, so just click on that. And are you sure you want to leave the servers? And you click on leave server. Once you click on that, so as you can see, we have currently left the server right there. If you want to delete your server, your own server, you just need to click on this button and go to server settings. Just go all the way down, and as you can see there is a delete server button here, and just enter the server name. So my server's name is Chevy server, so just do that and click on delete server and you're good to go. But if you just want to transfer ownership of this whole server so that you can leave, you could just go through the members right here, your server members. So click on this and go to server settings, go scroll down a little till you see user management, click on members, click on the three dots, and as you can see there's a transfer ownership here. Click on that and click on this one, the acknowledgement, and just click on transfer ownership. There will be a verification by email and you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.